just to show you what it's like, we're going to pop the cover off on the original relays. So just leave that up, and same on the other side. Get that in there, pull that off. And where are we with the terminals? I don't know if you can see them there, but yeah, just there. You can see, if I can get it to focus, there we go. You can see how worn away they are. Maybe that way's a bit better. But yeah, just the terminals in there. You can sort of see them just in there. That when current goes through the coil, it flicks it down, and when there's no current, it flicks it up, and that toggles the output between those two terminals, 87 and 87A. But yeah, you can see it's like super worn away, especially on that top one there, this side of where the screwdriver is at the moment. Yeah, so that's it.